In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate images into your Microsoft Word documents using the wrap text feature for better layout and presentation. This is a nifty little trick that not only makes your documents visually appealing, but also enhances the professional quality of your work. So let's dive in and walk through this process together. First, you'll need to open the Microsoft Word file where you'd like to add or reposition an image. It's important to have your document ready and see where exactly you'd want your image to appear. Once you've got your document open, locate the picture you wish to move. This could be an image you've already inserted into your document or one you plan to insert. If you haven't inserted the image yet, simply go to Insert on the top menu, select Pictures, and choose the image from your files. Now, with your selected image clearly in sight, click on the picture to ensure it's selected. You should see small sizing handles around the edges of the picture, which indicates that the image is active and ready for editing. Once it's selected, you need to right-click on the picture. A context menu will appear, offering a variety of options you can choose from for editing your image. From this menu, look for the Wrap Text option. What this does is determine how your text will flow around your image. Microsoft Word actually offers several different ways that text can wrap around an image. You have options such as inline with text, square, tight, through, top and bottom, among others. These options allow you to customize how closely your text will hug or avoid the image. For the purpose of this guide, we'll choose tight. This option allows your image to blend nicely with the surrounding text, making it an integral part of your document rather than an intrusive element. Once you've selected tight, you'll notice the text will realign itself, adjusting to the contours of your picture. Feel free to experiment even further by moving the image around. Simply click and drag it to any area of your document and observe how the text naturally adjusts to this new positioning. This flexibility allows for continuous edits until your document looks polished and exactly to your liking. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully used the Wrap Text feature in Word. Remember, this tool is especially useful when you're trying to create newsletters, reports, or any document where images and text need to seamlessly coexist. It's a simple feature, yet it makes a world of difference in terms of layout and readability. Practice a few times, and you'll master this useful skill in no time. Happy editing, and thanks for joining in today.